off on our travels, but we've just noticed at the entrance to the Caravan dealership that Dora,
our old 304,
our old 304 is there, and it's sold. There's a sold sign on it, so it was.
We didn't even see it go up for sale on their website or on their forecourt. So
No.
someone must have
snapped it up. I'm no doubt because it's beautiful.
Turn left.
And at the end of the road, turn left. But yeah, so real mixed feelings. But lovely to see it's going to a nice home, so hopefully they'll enjoy it.
Someone's got a bit of YouTube history.
Yeah, YouTube history.
One day they'll say, like Mr. Beast. Hey ho, let's tour. Used to have this caravan, and people just coming to see it from miles around.
So I'm going to try and get a photo of it. I hope we can, but we're hitched up with our own caravan at the moment, so we don't want to stop too long.